Welcome to the world of mathematics. Dive into the wonders of maths with Mind Over Maths channel. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is problem on chi-square test. Now today's problem is chi-square test. Question is, theory predicts that the proportion of beams in 4 groups, so type is given as 4 groups A, B, C, D, should be in the ratio 9:3:3:1. Next line is, in an experiment among 1600, so 1600 is the total beams, the numbers in 4 groups were given here. So which is 882, 313, 287 and 118. So you can clearly see that in this problem, these are the observed proportion of the beams. Now the question is, does the experiment support the theory? So you can easily analyze that this is the hypothesis. So we have to start the problem with the hypothesis, solution, null hypothesis, which is H0. The experiment supports the theory. So that is given in the question. Supports the theory. Obviously, what is the alternative? Alternative is, or alternate hypothesis is H1. The experiment does not support the theory. So, now we know that the chi-square test is a problem. The formula is summation over I, OI minus EI the whole square divided by EI. So here we can't find the expectation as a whole because proportion is given here. So we are going to find out the number of expectation for all the 4 groups. So first one is, find the number of expectation of group A. So how to find that? We are having the total as 1600. But if you see the proportion, you are having 9:3:3:1. So for the A group, A type, you are having 9. So 9, add up all the numbers. So you get 16, cancel the term, you get 900. Similarly, we are going to find out the number of expectation of, that means group B, which is the second one, 3/16 into 1600. Once again cancel the term, you get 300. Similarly, the number of expectation of group C, which is once again 3/16 into 1600, which is 300 once again. Similarly, we are going to find out the expectation of group D, which is 1 is given the problem, so 1/16 into 1600, which is 100, we got 100. So for the 4 groups, we are having 4 expectation. So now we are going to frame the table. How to frame the table? Your type is given here as A, B, C, D. Your observed frequency is OI, which is given in the problem as 882 So look at the question 882, 313. 882, 313, 287, 117. So the value here is given as 118, okay. So your expected frequency is for every group we are going to look at, which is 900, 300, 300, 100. So directly we can calculate from your calculator also. OI minus EI square divided by EI. So one term we will calculate. So we can do this from the calculator, knowing subtracting the term and dividing, we will get the answer to be like this. So this is the calculated chi-square, which is 4.7266. We can take maximum 3 decimal also. Now we can calculate what is the table value. Table value. So degree of freedom is n minus 1. So you are having totally 4 groups here. N is 4. So you are getting the answer to be 3. So we have to find from the normal table. Normal table for chi-square test. The value is chi-square of how many percentage we are taking? 5% means 0.05 and the 3 degrees of freedom is 7.8. 7.815. So it is very clear that the value is accepted. So therefore, comparing calculated value of chi-square and table value of chi-square. So we can see that chi-square is less than chi-square 0.05 at 3 degrees. So the 0.05 is alpha. Alpha is 0.05. So it is very clear that it is less than. So obviously your H0 is accepted. So we have taken what is the exception? The experiment supports the theory. So the conclusion is the experiment supports the theory. So this is the solution for the problem. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Mind Over Maths channel. Like, comment, and subscribe.